All right, our beans are done. And that juice is nice and thick. But I'm going to cook everything here in this crock pot. So I'm just going to, look at that. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? I'm just going to dump it in this bowl. It could be like considered a one pot meal. I meant to get my hamburger out of the refrigerator and I forgot. Let me go grab it. So I'm just going to turn my pot on saute. Get my hamburger meat in here. Maybe. There we go. And while I'm waiting for that to brown up, I'm going to go ahead and I have a small onion here. I'm going to go ahead and get it diced. Such a big knife. It won't take long at all to brown this little bit of meat. Ground beef is almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my onion. This is more beans without any of the meat, but it'll be fine. That's how I like it. It's not going to hurt anything. While that is continuing to brown and the onions are softening, I'm going to open up my vegetables. I want to rinse these kidney beans. You probably really don't have to use kidney beans. I guess I probably shouldn't have used them being I have so many pinto beans, but it's okay. The flavor that I have inside the pintos, that's why I rinse the kidney beans. I got some diced tomatoes here. I'm going to add in my kidney beans here. Turn my oven to 350. I have some Jiffy corn muffin mix with some jalapenos. I like to have cornbread with my chili beans, and I like to have a little heat in there. I did get the hot jalapenos. Lilo, hush. You don't have to have the hot. You can get the mild. This is almost done. Then I'll add in the beans. Lilo. All right, we're just going to take and dump everything back in here. Give it a really nice toss. We're just going to let this sit here and simmer for about 30 minutes. I mean, you can let it simmer however long you want to. I'm going to let it simmer for quite some time. And while that's simmering, woo, we can make our corn muffin mix. So to the Jiffy, it's 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and then I'm going to put in the jalapenos. Just want to whisk this together, get it all well incorporated. That sweet and that hot, it's going to be amazing. Get me a little baking dish. And in goes the cornmeal. The Jiffy corn muffin mix. It'll take this about 20 to 25 minutes to cook. So while that's doing, I'm going to let the Instant Pot do its thing. And I'll see you guys when it's ready to be plated up. If you could just smell. Sweet with the heat. Yummy. So I've had a chance to taste them. I just added some onion powder. I thought I hit record, but I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder in here as well. And I'm just going to let them sit here, and then I'll taste it again to see if it needs anything else. It does need salt, but I'm a little hesitant to add too much terrible salt. Let's just do a little thing. And I could definitely do some more pepper, but I don't know that everybody likes pepper like me, so we're going to hold off on that. I'm going to take this to some of my church friends. We got together, hush Lilo, we got together and was eating lunch today, and they were talking about my food. So I was like, I'll bring you guys, I'm making chili beans tonight. I'll bring y'all some chili beans tomorrow. So here we go. All right, I'm just going to let this sit here and simmer and taste it in just a few minutes and see what it tastes like. I tasted it. I think it needs a little cumin. I'm just concerned with, Lilo does not start barking until I turn this camera on. I'm just concerned with it being a little, with that bouillon, I didn't want it to be too terribly salty. That was my concern. I'd rather add a little than to add too much and regret it. Whoops. Let's taste this. It's really hot. That's much, much better. I really enjoy that. It's good. We're there. Now we're just waiting on the cornbread. Oh, my cornbread just got done, y'all, and it looks amazing. I'm gonna let it cool before I slice into it. Our chili beans our chili beans look really, really good. Sometimes this camera really doesn't want to zoom in that good, but man, does that not look delicious or what? Well, I'm so excited. It's not even cold here yet, but I love chili beans. Leave me a comment if you love chili beans. I'll see you guys when I make a plate. Okay, y'all. I got me a little plate just for a taste test. I am not hungry at all. But, you know, gotta sample your goods, right? Ooh. Just made a mess. It's still piping hot, and it's been off for quite some time. I say I'm not hungry, but I keep piling that in there, don't I? Let's get us some jalapeno cornbread. This is what I love. You see the jalapenos in there? Just sit it on top, just like so. Get these little nib bits in there. That not look amazing or what? I look a mess. Anyway, I already switched over to my nightgown. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Y'all, I'm telling you now, I love jalapeno cornbread. It's amazing. This, you know, should have put some butter on it and some hot honey. Look at that bite. Don't it make you want some? Go make you some chili beans, y'all. That heat, heavens to Betsy, y'all, that's delicious. See, I'm a sharer. I like to share things. This is good. This is really good. You know, you can never be hungry until you get food put in your face, and then it's like you're starving. Anyway. I hope this video put some yum in your tummy and smile in your heart. It Sean sure did mine. I'll see you guys in the comments. Bye.